How do we get everything we want out of life? Let's talk about it. What's good? My name is Jadarius or Jay, and I'm here to make your life better today. Today's video, I want to explain the law of attraction. Now, one of my favorite movies about this topic is The Secret. The Secret is a great movie. I think it does a pretty good job of explaining the law of attraction, but I think it misleads some people. The whole premise of the movie is that if you believe in something, if you really focus in on it, you could truly get whatever you want. That's kind of misleading because it doesn't talk about that you have to put in the actual work to get in what you want. You gotta be the energy you want to attract. You can believe all you want to that you're gonna get a nice car, a big house, and lots of money. You can believe that all you want to, but you will not receive it unless you're putting in that work to get it. You gotta match the energy of what you want out of life. Life rewards the doers, the people that are willing to put in their time, energy, and effort into whatever it is they want to attract. Life don't reward the hopers, the people that just sit around and hope all day that they could attract what they want out of life. That's not how the law of attraction works. Like I said, you gotta match the energy of what you want out of life. If you want a nice car, a big house, and lots of money, life requires that you match that energy. Life requires that you dedicate a large amount of time, energy, and effort in order to get those things. There's absolutely nothing wrong with hoping and believing that you will attract what you want out of life. But you can't do that alone. You gotta put in the grind. The law of attraction isn't just hoping and believing in what you want. You also gotta put in the work to get what you want. Don't waste your time just hoping and believing in what you want, because one day you're gonna run out of time. So get to work now. You need to start right now, today, so that you can track what you want out of life. If you find value in this video, please subscribe, like, comment down below what you want out of life, share this video, share my channel, and turn those notifications on so I can continue to provide you with mental wisdom, motivation, and some entertainment. Peace!